Siyanda Ndlovu, what a player, what a superstar. Ungenile umjita washintsha i-complexion of the game, washintsha isipidi, wangena ngokuhlakanipha laphana noma ngithi ngobuhlakani obu-strong. Lo muntu lo yazi even noma engaliphathanga ibhola when he was playing off the ball bekanika uKhuliso Mudau ama-options cause uKhuliso Mudau i-Sundowns be-attack-a ngaye beyinganaplani i-Sundowns that much. But ungenile uNdlovu wakwazi ukufeyisa i-defense ye-Kaizer Chiefs, wakwazi ukubalanda straight khona la bafinisha bonke laphana ebhokisini bafowethu, wabona ukuthi lo mjida lona u-strong. I won't be surprised uNdlovu uma edlalela iBafana Bafana. And I mean i-hard work uyambona nawe noma engena laphana egrawundini excited ukuthi adlale futhi nama-player we-Sundowns ayamthanda. Ayakwazi ukumdlalisa, ukumdlalela cause ayazi ukuthi umfana uphethe, angimazi ukuthi usithathaphi mina isipiliyoni esinje uNdlovu ne-intelligence. Khona la uKhuliso Mudau uma ebamba ibhola unika uKhuliso Mudau ispace salaphana ukuthi abe yi-wing and then uyadropa engathi uba yilo angazi i-right wing noma i-semi number 10. I don't know ukuthi ngingayi-explain-a kanjani lento le, but-ke I was watching him live cause obvious abantu abanye bebangaboni. When you were watching on TV bowungaboni ukuthi benzani uNdlovu, ama-movements wakhe bekathola ey'pesini ezi-right. Angazi cause i-Sundowns beyilibamba ibhola but i-final third beyingazi ukuthi yenzeni until bafaka uNdlovu, bafaka even noMailula. uMailula ngimbonile ukuthi naye u-exciting and uze washaya negoli laphana, but uNdlovu wagqilazela ama-defense we-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean khona la I think first 5 minutes engenile kuvele washintsha everything loya muntu lo. Bekumele ngabe bayinqumile nje i-Kaizer Chiefs laphana, but-ke somehow Kaizer Chiefs survived. But what a great start for yena uNdlovu. Uyibonisile i-coach ukuthi even nama-game amakhulu, imagine angeke ambone uNdlovu laphana ku-Sundowns but ngena ku-game enkulu laphana e-Soccer City noma ngithi FNB Stadium against Kaizer Chiefs, akasaba ukubalanda straight bonke. What a star. Sengifisela inhlanhla laphana ku-Sundowns. I can't wait ukumbona ukuthi uzokwenzani during the course of the season. Abantu abaningi bathi uNdlovu ibulela i-career yakhe ngokuya ku-Sundowns, but guess what, uSkhwishi uthi namanga nina.